Hey guys, LA Plays here. So today I'm going to show you guys how to fix Windows 10 blue screen of death. So this is actually a common problem with Windows 10 that has affected heaps of PCs worldwide. No matter what system you have, if it's a high-end system or even to a low-end system, this fix here will definitely the solution should definitely fix the problem. So. Yesterday, one of my cousins, he had a problem with his computer on Windows 10, and he kept getting a blue screen of death. And so what I did was I was looking around in settings, and I came across this. So I am on the latest version of Windows. It is Windows 10, yeah, of course. But my version is 1709. So you need to be on. I believe that is the latest version. And what I discovered is when I went to update and security, if you actually go to troubleshoot, it comes up here. It says find and fix other problems. It comes up with blue screen. So troubleshoot errors that cause Windows to stop or restart. So that's that blue screen, and it's a troubleshooter, and yeah, you just click on run the troubleshooter, and then it should go through and fix the blue screen of death. Now, I guess this should actually fully fix it because there's a lot of well, Microsoft made this, added this to the update, and it should be able to work because it is coming directly from them. Um, but I don't have any problems on this machine that I'm using right now. But on my other computer, which is running 32-bit Windows 10, sometimes does actually get it. But if this does actually not work for you, the other thing that you can try is to actually reinstall Windows on your machine. That's pretty much the other thing that would really stop it from happening. But I mean, this should actually work properly. I haven't actually tried it yet, but it should definitely fix it. Because I believe my cousin actually it worked for him because he actually called me and asked me, how to fix it and that, and hasn't called me back. So it looks like it would have worked. But yeah, guys. So thanks for watching. Hope this helped you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.